Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Peter Theron. I'm one of the co-founders of NORMN Hangers, and I would like to tell you our story, how we are displacing a high-volume product and changing it from a waste to a resource. I'm going to start with asking a question to the audience, so a bit of audience interaction, please. Please raise your hands if you think that more than 1 billion hangers are landfilled every year, globally. So if you think it's more than 1 billion, raise your hand. Quite a few hands. Good, thanks. Some studies suggest it's more than 10 billion. Now, plastic hanger collection schemes do exist, but they seem to be quite complex or specific to one manufacturer, one type of plastic, or needs to be sorted. We looked at what other more widely available schemes are available, and can we design a new product to fit into those existing schemes. Now, as you've heard earlier today, paper is one of the most recycled products in the world, with schemes available almost anywhere. So we started with developing our own version of solid board, which is compressed, recycled paper fibers, which can fit into all those existing schemes, and is strong and durable. But not only that, we wanted to offer something extra, something additional, and we do this with 2 product lines. Sorry. First is the NORMN ad hanger, which, as we can see from the picture, is a point-of-sale communication tool. It's a swing tag and a sustainable hanger, all in one, helping brands to tell their stories to customers. We effectively give a tennis court size communication space inside a medium-sized store that hasn't been previously used, thereby turning a previous cost into a brand investment. We've sold NORMN ad hangers to more than 50 brands in more than 20 countries and 3 continents, albeit smaller brands. Our largest order size to date is almost 100,000 units, and it tends to be the small brands that leads the way and set the trends. And we've also delivered to some larger names like Puma and Topshop. Now, our second product line, NORMN Zero, specifically targets the billions of garments transported from factory to shop floor on a one-use plastic hanger, before it's changed to a display hanger for store. This is made from compressed paper, again, but with a standard metal hook. So NORMN Zero is the world's first zero-waste hanger to fit into any transport system. Now, companies get paid for their cardboard waste, and this zero hanger goes simply in that same cardboard waste, and they get paid even more. So now we've changed something that used to be waste, that you pay for, somebody to collect your plastic hangers or dispose of your waste, to a resource that you get paid for. The picture up here is of Philippa K's successful trial of more than 1,000 of these zero hangers, all the way from the factory in Portugal to the shop stores in Sweden. And they use about 1 million hangers a year. Now, we are 3 founders, including myself. I'm a chartered accountant, more than 10 years experience in investment banking, private equity, and media. And we have experienced product developer with more than 20 years experience, and an environmental scientist with 10 years experience in circular supply chains. Our partners, we have a few partners, including Solidus, formerly part of Smurfit Kappa, and Europe's largest solid board producer. We already generate revenue, and we target €2 million plus revenue within the next 4 to 5 years. And how will we do that? With a staged release of new innovations, new products, and continuous development, including 3-dimensional shoulders to add extra support for some garments like suit jackets. Our ask, we are raising 250 to 500,000 pounds over the next 2 years, and we will be applying for grant funding to potentially cover about half of our needs. Secondly, help us help you. Now, if you are in the industry or in the government, join our movement and help us change your waste into a resource. Finally, why NORMN? Well, it offers something special, it's proven, and we have intellectual property, and is a truly circular economy solution that is scalable with a global impact. Thank you very much.